Section 2, Introduction to Hadoop. So introduction to Hadoop. What will you learn? So data explosion, conventional systems via Hadoop, big data example set. We will take one big data example set. We'll finally look into the various distributions available in Hadoop. Data explosion. Every day, petabytes of data is created on the internet. So there has been a data explosion since from 2008 to 2007, 2008 due to uh, it's because of social media and smartphones. So data sources is through variety of industries like healthcare, social media, retail, finance, insurance sector. So these are unstructured data. So needs meaningful information to take smarter decisions. So these are unstructured data. So needs some meaningful information to take smarter decisions. Like you need to have some computation on this data, and we need to extract some meaningful information out of this unstructured data. So conventional systems are used. So previously, for handling data computation, we use single computer servers with 64-bit processor and 8 CPUs and 64 GB RAM max. So computing was linear. That means all the data is computed on a single server. It's not a distributed model. So relational database systems are used like MS SQL, MySQL, Oracle database, and Microsoft SQL. These four are majorly used as of now. So RDBMS is nothing but relational database management systems. So pros of an RDBMS. Places data in well-defined structure. Well-defined structure in the sense the value you store in the RDBMS is predefined. Like the value is integer value, or a character value, or a text value, a date value, or a date type. So it's a well-defined structure. So if you know little bit of SQL, you will understand what exactly is the well-defined structure. So SQL language, structured query language is used. Cons of an RDBMS is not capable of handling unstructured data like videos, photos, etc. It only handles your numbers, integers, texts, and such type of data. It won't handle the videos, photos, etc. Can handle data in MBs and GBs. It can handle the data in megabytes and gigabytes, but performance drastically goes down as data size increases in terabytes and petabytes. Yes, it's very important that if your data size increases in terms of terabytes and petabytes, the performance of these systems like RDBMS systems like Oracle, MySQL, PostgreSQL, the performance drastically decreases. So RDBMS, so it can't handle the data size of terabytes and petabytes. So RDBMS systems cannot be scaled out. Scale out means if your data increases, if your data size increases in a system, you can't add the servers to an existing database server. See, suppose if you have 600 GB of data in your current system, and suppose another 400 GB of data is going to be increased. So by adding extra database servers, you can't handle the extra 400 GB growth of data. So RDBMS systems cannot be scaled out. This is a big problem with RDBMS systems. So in terms of Hadoop, you can handle the data growth by adding the nodes to a cluster.